Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Bradley Lee and welcome to my midwinter market update. So what's been happening in the Dunedin residential market over the last 6 months? Well, to put it simply, we've seen phenomenal growth. We've seen property prices hit new levels and even exceed my own expectations. This has been driven by one major factor, and it's the lack of supply, the lack of houses that we have available for sale. And until we address this issue, I don't think we're going to see too many changes. However, the government are definitely doing their bit to try and cool the market. Earlier this year, in about March, April, they've brought in some new regulations to make it harder for investors to purchase properties. Now, I definitely think this has had an effect in the investment market, as there's less investors out there, but in the residential market, or the first home buyer markets, I don't think this has had too much of an effect. It's still extremely hard for first home buyers to find a home and get into the market. It is super competitive. Now, an example of the increases we've seen over the last 12 months would have to be the median sale price for the month of May this year. That has jumped up from $495,000 in May last year to $643,000 this year, which is a huge increase, and it's as I said earlier, absolutely phenomenal. What are we going to see happening for the rest of the year? Well, again, I think it's just going to be more of the same, unfortunately. I think we're going to see prices potentially level off a wee bit and probably stay where they are. I don't know if we're going to see quite the big jump in price we've seen on this first 6 months, but hey, look, who knows? We didn't think we would be here where we are right now after COVID. We all thought the market was going to go back 10%, but in the end it's gone up over 20%, which is again absolutely huge. So there's probably not too much going to let up for the home buyers out there. It's still going to be super competitive. Hopefully we can start seeing some more houses come on the market, because at the moment obviously it's the depths of winter, and not too many people are looking to sell, so stock levels are extremely low. We will see more houses start to come into the market in those spring and summer months, so hang in there buyers. Hopefully there will be some more choice out there. Now, if you are looking to sell or you're looking to buy, definitely make sure you reach out to me, as we have lots of off-market listings that we're working with at the moment. So if you're a buyer, get in touch, make sure you're on my database so we can send you those properties. Obviously they're not live on the open market, so it's important that you get on our database and make sure you're seeing those before the rest of the market. And if you're a seller, definitely feel free to get in touch with us. We've got some helpful and useful guides if you're looking to prepare your house for the market, so we can email those out to you or send them out in the post as well. Thanks guys, look forward to talking soon.